You're welcome to this video, and this is Mr. Shedwak on the channel, and this is Telecom Business TV, a place where you learn ethical online and information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor by like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber to the channel, thanks and salute to you, because I really appreciate the fact that you come along to actually see what we are doing here on the channel. So in this very video, I'm going to show you and explain to you how you can get our latest and up-to-date VTU script. Now this script is what you need when you want to start a business that really make you money. Okay, you can get this script right away after this video presentation. Now this is a unique script that has about 20 unique features. So you are going to be enjoying 20 unique features on this app, and that is a wonderful opportunity if you're in Nigeria that want to start telecom business that really makes you money. Now, are you looking for an advanced VTU application with a unique and dynamic feature that will enable you to earn over 200,000 naira in a month? Then grab our new latest and secure VTU app and enjoy the following benefits from the app. What are the features of this app? One is that it has 4-level membership system. This 4-level membership system gives you opportunity to divide your users into different categories. Like you can have a free users, paid users in different format. You can even have an API users, people that can come. Naturally, people will come into your VTU website. They will now be able to use their services at a free level, and at the same time, if they need, if they like what they are seeing, they can then upgrade it. Okay, by selecting any of the plans you have already pre-configured as the owner of the platform. And then you can decide the fee upgrade attached to each of these level membership system. That's one good aspect of it. You know, one of the things that is very unique about this is that you can decide the membership fee that will be paid for each users that want to be on a particular level of membership. The third feature is that sales price configuration for each membership level. Apart from the fact that each membership level have their own upgrade fee attached, they also have their own prices across all the whole product and services we are rendering as a VTU portal owner. So it means that if you're a paid member, the price at which they get, for instance, MTN airtime VTU is not the same thing with someone that is a free member. So that gives you opportunity and advantage as a portal owner that runs this kind of business in Nigeria. Another thing is SME. That's the fourth one. SME data and direct data, all network supported. This is one unique aspect of it. You can vend airtime, you can vend SME data, direct the network of all the whole network. Airtime VTU on network has also supported here. And now, apart from that, the next one, which is Smile Payment, is also supported in this application. Airtime to cash is also working in this particular application. API integration working fine. Are you getting it now? Developer can contact you to integrate their API on your portal, and that is a good aspect of the new application. Automated system. The system is automated in the sense that it's not doing work in a manual mode. Rather, it is automated. Everything from airtime vending, data sales, SME data sales, even direct data sales, airtime to cash, bill payment, everything is completely automated. Orderly manner of transaction history. You can trace a transaction history as admin or even as a user. So it is a unique feature of this application. Fraud control. Fraud control. What it means here is that users are to set up a PIN before they can vend any product on the app. So that gives you a control, as in it means their website is so secure. Okay, not everybody. If someone have an account, even the person have their password and username of that user, the person cannot be able to buy anything because the system will prompt the person to enter a password when the person want to buy product, and that password is unique to that particular user. Paystack funding. So if you are interested to have a paystack included in your VTU website, it comes with this solution. Mana funding. You can also have bank accounts. You can also pay via bank account. API switch. Now this is the one of the system give you a room to switch the any a provider of your choice in real time. So it is not system dependent of a particular gateway system. This is so hot. You know why? Because when you have this solution, especially on the second package, you'll be able to second to the last package. You're able to we can give you multiple of gateway providers, so you can just switch it. You can enable us to switch for you, or even do it on your own self from the admin end. It's very flexible and simple. Custom landing page, very corporate landing page is there. Corporate gifting data is supported. All network lock and unlock services. If there is a time in which you don't want a particular service to be visible on your end user, you can also lock services on the system. Now upgrade or downgrade users, so you can upgrade or downgrade users to a particular plan. Compacted with VTU portal creator script. This is the main reasons why I like this system, because you can build reseller portals and connect it to your API. This is a priceless commodity, in the sense that if you're a user that has opted for this, if you're a client that has enabled us to build this solution that is we are talking about in the channel or even on the WhatsApp, it is a custom build application that support the current VTU portal creator we have. So that means your website can be the server for other resellers we have that will come to join you in the business. Instead of you telling them to come to Instant Mobile or any of our platform that we have, either Data Mobile, any of this platform we have, you can then directly control all their margins, all their sales. Everything is there because your website will not be the central hub for them to connect. There's a masterclass training that I already talk about on this business in a deeper aspect, so I'm going to leave a link on the description of this video that will point you to that masterclass, so that you go through the class to understand all the advantage you have and even how to make that 200 and something thousand every month using this new solution. Another thing is wallet to wallet transfer is also supported in the system. You can also check out the whole new app features by going to https://instantmobile.com.ng/master reseller. I'm going to leave a link to the description of this video, so you can also see everything about this app and what it can do for you. Now if you are interested to have this new app, there is a special discount for you limited to 48 hours from now. As you are watching this video, as you are dropping it, you can DM admin, let's discuss how to move your VTU app to the latest and secure app on 081 36 37 446. WhatsApp this line, then we can talk about this particular application, and of course the special discount that is given to you. Because you watch this video to the end, you are going to get this special discount. Okay, that discount will be given to you once we have talked on extensively on this on WhatsApp. But then if you come to WhatsApp, it's not like, if you want to know about the features of the app, go through this link that is going to be on the link, and also the one you are seeing, that's instantmobile.com.ng/master-reseller. Go through it and see everything about the app, what the app can do for you. Then when you are coming to WhatsApp, you are just saying, indicate that I want to get the discount on the new app, so that we can then follow up the conversation. Not when you come to WhatsApp, you start telling admin or one of our staff that is there, oh please, what is master reseller system, that kind of a thing. So people, you may not be attended frequently, because most people that are coming in on WhatsApp to make inquiry is to close the sales and start the business, not for us to start having a family meeting again on WhatsApp, please. Okay, so this is Mr. Sherak on the channel, and of course I believe you got value from this video. Please like, share this video and subscribe to the channel, because we are releasing updates almost every day on different things like cryptocurrency trading, telecom business, digital marketing, affiliate programs, a lot are going on the channel, so please don't leave without subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, keep on checking up and also turn up the bell notification so that you receive an update once we release a video like this. Thanks and God bless.